Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, heated front seats, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options.